Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video featuring the Island Cocktail Stamp and Die Set. This is an 11-piece stamp set that is 4 by 6 inches, and it features a tall cocktail glass with a straw, several kinds of fruit, and mint to add to the glass, and a little paper umbrella also. You're also going to find that there is a cut out for the beverage part inside the glass. Here I have stamped, colored, and die cut all of the pieces from this set so you can see what kind of goodness you can get. I've also taken the layers to make a glass, and I'm showing you how to attach the strawberry in the lip of the glass through that hole. This is such a well thought out stamp and die set. So cute. I did add a little extra slit in our strawberry so that it would slide onto the lip of the glass a little better. I see lots of fruity drinks in my future. Next, I'm going to show you the cards that have been made with this by the design team. This one is by Brenda, and then this one is by Sylvia. Love that. And this one is by Katie. They all look so refreshing. And then this one is by Jeannie. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. If you're interested in the product that I featured in this video, check that description box below. And until next time, bye-bye.